Hey guys, so this is group 2, Cobi, Alexa, Alex, and Malaysha. Alright, so episode 1, right triangles and the Pythagorean Theorem, also known as 90-degree triangles and the long obnoxious words. Ugh. Alright, so to get into it, right triangles, they are triangles that form a 90-degree angle, like right here, it's 90 degrees. Okay, so this square is an indicator that it is a 90-degree angle. You can draw that if it is. Alright, and you can see here that right triangles have 3 sides, like all triangles do. You should know that. Okay, and they are A, B, and C. A and B are interchangeable. This can be A, this can be B, but this is always C. It is the long side that is diagonal. Alright, and it is also known by a very funny term that we will tell you later. So the Pythagorean theorem, this is basically Pythagoras' theorem. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared, the square root of that. So you plug in what your sides are right here. Of course, you won't know one of them. I mean, it is math. Alright, and you basically solve for them. So the hypotenuse, which we like to call the hippomoose, like right here, see, that's a hippomoose. I took the time to make that for you guys. You're welcome. More fun than how we learned it. Okay, the hippomoose is a part of the Pythagorean theorem. We don't always solve for the hypotenuse, but if the hypotenuse is known and A or B isn't, we will solve for whatever the missing side is. And this is done by subtracting the hypotenuse by whatever is known. Say A is unknown, so A squared equals C squared, the hypotenuse, minus B squared. Great. Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem continued. Alright, using the Pythagorean theorem, we know that 6 and 8 are either A or B. You can decide which they are. Alright, so the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, so 6 squared is 36 and 8 squared is 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. So that is basically what the hypotenuse is, but you still have that big square root symbol looming over it, so you have to solve for the square root of 100, and that is perfectly 10, so that's your hypotenuse. Alright guys, that was awesome. So in summary, we covered right triangles, the Pythagorean theorem, and we taught you about the hypotenuse and probably scarred your memory with our terribly edited hippomoose. Have a radical day, and we will see you next time. Yay! Cobi, why don't you join us?
Yay.